If you want to learn how to make money online in a lot more unique way, everyone who has access to the internet, no matter where they are in the globe, may study and participate. However, you will need a social media in order to do so. You won't be doing any social networking, affiliate marketing, or anything else that you might be thinking about, because all you'll be doing is copying and pasting. Any experience will not even be required from you, which means that even complete beginners can participate in today's video. With such, this is a completely new technique that will provide you with a fantastic jumpstart into the year 2022. That is what this video is all about, because we're going to be showing you 3 websites. Make sure you pay attention through the entire video from the beginning to the end. Before we get into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First step is to go on to google.com, look up Google News, and then you're gonna click on the first search result, and that should take you to here. This website contains all of the news from all parts of the world. Not only does it hold news from different parts of the world, it also holds news from different categories, different topics, literally everything. There's science news, health, sports, entertainment, technology, business, local news, world news, and a lot more. Now you can focus on any, but we do want you to click on health as an example, and then you're going to see all of the most relevant and previous news on health pop up. You can go ahead and scroll down some more to read more and to find some more. So let's choose a random article, and then you're going to copy important information or information that you want to copy or whatever. And then we move on to the next step, which would be to open up spinbot.com. And this is the website that's going to do most of the work for us, which is great. So just paste what you've copied in the first box, and then click on this arrow, and then click on this arrow, and then the spinbot should paraphrase the whole article for you to make it more original and to make it your own and to make it unique. So now we're going to discuss the 3 websites that we're going to post these paraphrased articles to. We can even make a whole article on our own, and we're going to earn from these articles. The first website we're going to show you is called eatingwell.com. This website will be paying you $1 per word. So let's say your article is made up of 1,000 words. Then you're going to get paid $1,000 for only one article that you didn't even have to create yourself. Now let's go ahead and discuss how we're going to submit your article. So, scroll down to the most bottom part of the web page and then select on Contact Us. And from there, you're going to find their email address and then go ahead and open up your email account and compose an email and paste their email address on there because you're going to send them your sample article. You can post your email composed in this way. You can pause the video and copy this, or you can create your own message and then when it's ready, post your article that you paraphrase and that should be good to go. Just click on send and before you know it, they're going to email you back accepting your application and you can start earning $1,000 per article that you can send over. Our next website is called Sierraclub.org, and on this website is where you can earn money using the same method, and that is by submitting articles. Just go over to their website and find literally any information that you might want to read on. Make sure to read the instructions carefully though. And then you can look for their email address and just do the same process that we did with Eating Well, and then submit your sample article through their email address, and just like that, you're going to be emailed back. And now you must watch out though. They're probably going to ask you for your preferred payment method as well as your payment information, so just make sure that you have those ready on hand so that you can respond to the email with all of your correct information. And so, with that, they can start giving you projects, and after every project, they can easily pay you per article afterwards. So, before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Our last website is called Dailyjester.com. And again, you're gonna get paid by submitting articles. Just visit the website, read all of the guidelines of the website, everything you need to know will be on there, and then you're just gonna wanna follow all of the step-by-step instructions. Now here's something that you should take note of. This website pays much less than our 2 previous websites that we've mentioned. But if you actually use all 3 together, then you're definitely going to make a lot more than $1,000 every single day. Now that's basically for Dailyjester. And before we wrap it up, let's just have a little recap so that you guys can just go back to it. First thing that we want you to do is open up Google News. And then we want you to read through everything. Get familiar with the website, and then once you've done that, you can choose a subject. Then you can choose a specific topic or a specific article under that subject. Then you're going to copy its contents, and then you're going to want to open up spinbot.com. And this website is where you can paraphrase articles or paragraphs or anything like that, which will make it look original. So just copy the article that you have, paste it on spinbot.com, click on the arrow, and then it's going to paraphrase your article. Right after that, it will make it into a new, unique, original version of your own. And then you're going to want to visit eatingwell.com, Sierraclub, and Dailyjester. Then you're going to want to look through the websites. Really get familiar with the websites. Read through all of the instructions, through all of their guidelines, through all of the things that they will require of you to do so that you won't get lost or so that you won't have anything get mixed up or get anything wrong. Then once you're familiar with the website, once you know about it already, once you know what to do, you are going to look for their contact information and preferably you're going to find their email. Now, if you're not going to find their email, but if you do find like a Facebook account, an Instagram account, a Twitter account, whatsoever, you can email them through there. And then you're going to write a short message as to how you want to apply and how you have an article prepared as a sample article to submit so that they can consider your application and then paste your article there and then send it in. And the last thing you will do is to wait for the good news and start earning, and that is basically everything. So remember, every time you visit these websites, you cannot just go ahead and do your own thing right away. You need to read through all of the instructions, through all the guidelines, because you have to, or else you're going to get lost, or you're going to mess something up, and your application is not to be considered. It's important that you really follow through so that everything goes smoothly. They're going to ask you for your payment information, your payment method, and you're just gonna hand it to them. And just like that, you're going to be able to earn money. This is a great opportunity for everyone, so we do hope that everyone tries it out. And we're going to see you in the next one. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone, and see you in our next video.